Wow, 992 subscribers. Holy shit. Ranking up in the world. Holy moly.
Bible thump.
Shit. How do I get back to my chat? How do I get back to my chat? My chat. Fuck, man. There it was. There it was. God, it's so laggy. Fuck you. Fuck all. I disliked your stream. Shut the guys, like my stream so YouTube thinks it's good. Do I count as a viewer if I watch my own stream? I literally got told something by my cousin that I need to do and see if it works. Okay. See if that works. Probably won't, but maybe. Clickbait, thumbnails, lol. I don't even know what the thumbnail is for today. I literally have no time to change that today. It is how it is today. Fuck it. So what did we do here? It worked, right? Oh yeah, the items. True. Okay. Okay, we're gonna make one of these. Guys, which one do you want? Too many options, right? I need to make an easy one because I don't have enough time to fill them all in with color today. So we have to trace one that is easy. What about this plant? I think that one is gonna be more or less easy to make. Where's the plant? Hello, top chatters. Hey, real super cool, my man. Who asked? Yes, it's for the game. For the game. Make it good. Participate. You want a good game? Need to participate. Help me out. Looks like Haskas is very... How you call that? Talented. With these types of things. Let's make a base. Like that. Okay, let's make a dark mouth. Long time no see, super cool. Kappa. We need to start, I guess, then if we have sprites, we need to start working on enemy stats and have a good way to calculate those. Hey, Tischbox North, hello there. Do you guys have any idea? Fucking hell, I forgot I have a different name again. I don't know. No, shit. Oh my god, stop. Okay, what do you think, guys? What do you think about this? Fits perfectly into 32 by 32. Huh? First enemy? Or another enemy? Let's start putting them here. It's cute. You think I should make it drip some more blood or something? Because I don't like that you called it cute. Give it gobbly eyes, Lamau. Yo, bro. Hey, Jeek. Hello there. Huh? What do you think? Nah, I don't think eyes work very well on this one. It's fine. Let's do it like this. We have our first enemy. A flower. Maybe one color for shading. Highlights. The player character got some shading as well. However, it's nice as it is. Flat. Yeah, it's already nice. Like, I was thinking about adding shading color here, but I couldn't get it to work. Like, I couldn't find a good shading color. Purple for shadow, yellowish. And yellowish for highlight, maybe. Purple. You mean this? Eight more subscribers, prepare. Hey, Meo, yes. Still on slice drawing, or is the title outdated? Title is outdated. I didn't have time to change it today. I have to go somewhere today. So I literally have, like, the entire day is full of stuff that I have to do. So yeah, today is like kind of wrong. Darker Valley though, yeah, I can't. I am limited to this color palette. Why is chat taking so long to update? YouTube. YouTube. Okay, I'll shut that up then. It's okay. It was a very good idea. What's your league starting, by the way? I'm thinking about Toxic Rain. Or the new melee ability, the fire one. That like travels and then does the thing. I could also be I would also like to try that. For the first time, I would start melee. Usually I just play bow. Can't decide between them yet, though. And what are you, League, starting? You have any idea yet? Maybe any good path of builders? You can, you know. Give me any good build? 384. Huh? Gonna try RF Juggernaut. RF? What is RF again? Warning system. Enemy counter.
Righteous fire, noob.
No, thank you. Thank you. Okay. Oh wait, that's the wrong game. Lol. Bruh. Redstone flux. So currently I have this, and now there's actually flowers coming towards us that we kill. Cool. They do not change their direction, or based on their direction. Where do I draw them? Render option flip X. Okay, so he's looking to the left. If he's facing to the right, what do I have on an entity? Desired direction. Okay, now they flip. Now they move to the left and to the right. They start following me. Good. That's also a nice small change. Now, okay. Next. How do we make it so that enemies scale based on our level? They get HP based on our level. So as we level up, the enemies get more health. Oh yeah, damage numbers would also be a nice thing. We could do a floating text. Floating texts. Why do you want that? That's how it is in Vampire Survivors. As you level up, the enemies get more health. So there's literally a strategy to not level up so that you can kill the last... Are you sure? Yeah, there's literally a strategy to not level up and then kill the last... like this, the cycle guy. What is he called? You unlock him by killing him. And he's impossible to kill if you have leveled up before. You need to clear the entire level without leveling up. And then his HP is not as crazily scaled as before. I think they have...
I killed him without doing that.
How? I killed him with leveling up? Guys, I need to go to the bathroom real quick. I'm sorry. I should have done this before YouTube, but I really need to go. So I'll be right back real quick, okay? How did you kill him? Did you freeze him to the... Did you freeze him? Freezing is enough though, I think. Evolved freezing thing plus evolved shield thing. Freezing is enough though, I think. Okay, but we need a way to scale the enemies. Nonetheless. We need a way to scale the enemies so they are powerful enough at every stage in the game. So we need to find a proper way to do that. I just looked it up. Most 50% enemies don't level up, get more HP. Usually only special enemies scale with HP. So basically there's just different types of enemies that have HP and they spawn at a certain amount of time. Is what you're saying. So if I don't level up fast enough and get the right items. Yes, okay, so let's just create enemy types then. Right, how about enemy types then? Let's use the red one too. That's the first one, and the flower is a little bit stronger.
Get over here!
We could also add the bat in for later. Someone followed on Twitch. Thank you very much. Enemy type, I don't remember. What are these things called here? Or should we quickly draw another enemy? We can use that too. We can make it just a bit better. What is this guy called? Molten Midget. Okay. 3 column of different types for a different type / strength. Nah, let's just use it. Yeah. Try to fix his statue a little bit. Make him round ish. Would be okay. Fine like that. Okay, so we have Molten Midget, we have that, and we have enemy. Okay, now we have enemy types, and the game doesn't really care if what type of entity it is or what type of enemy it is. We just need to have a function, internal or something. Internal get ribbon has flicked imaging area. Create enemy of type. Journal void spawn enemy takes in an enemy type. Only special enemies scale with HP. They scale with HP. Does that mean they scale with how much level you have, what level you have, and then they gain more HP? Is that what you mean? Real super cool. It says X HP X times level in the Visual Vampire Survivors wiki. Right, I see. Okay. Arch Nemesis enemies, pork. Now it's time to make the Age-Labber month. Hello there. Now it's time to get the stats right. Do we want the same type of stats like in Vampire Survivors, where in the beginning we deal 1, 2, or 3 damage, something like that, up until 10, 15? Or do we want to have bigger damage numbers? But that would also clutter the screen because we are now drawing more characters per damage number. If I deal 100 damage, then the screen is gonna have to display 3 characters for 100 damage. Whereas if I deal 2 damage, then the screen is only gonna have to display 1 character. I like the one where it doesn't spam the screen. So especially like, so the enemy type bat has like 5 health, while the molten midget, let's say, has 2, or let's say 5, and then this one, the bat, maybe has 8 or something. And then by default an entity has 5 HP and an attack of, I suppose, 10 is nice. We can have a lot of damage on these. Leaves us a little bit more room. And then in the game over here where we do inflict damage, we call that, we can nerf the damage of garlic to be a base of 6 maybe. And if the level is greater than 4, what does that mean? We add in another 6. So basically doubling the damage. And then over here, the slicing things, they start off with 10 damage. So they kill the first 3 types of enemies in one shot. I suppose, yeah. Entity is not a member of game state. Oh, where's the spawn system? Update level. Spawning system. And then what about the spawning? Like, I want to have variable spawn rates. We could have times. We could have an array. An array of spawn rates, which just holds the spawn rates of certain things, of certain times. So, and well, it needs to be a struct, I guess. So. We have a struct spawn data that has time and rage. Rage? Doesn't have rage, but it has a rate. So it's gonna be, okay, in the very beginning, I'm gonna spawn I'm gonna spawn 10 enemies a second. Or let's say I'm gonna spawn 5 enemies a second. And then I don't know, after 5 seconds, I'll spawn 10 enemies a second. And then we can just fill in this array for how many spawn. And then obviously we can also add in special spawns later, like bosses and stuff. They always spawn at a certain amount of time. We can fill in another like special or a fixed spawn array. This is like the random spawn array, and then yeah, the random spawn rates. Let's try that. And then spawn rate, we need to have a function that, or not a function, but a section where we get the spawn rate. And for that we need an guess on the game state. We need an int spawn rate index. If spawn rates on game state, spawn rate edx plus 1 for time is less than or equal to game state total time, then we need to get a new spawn rate, meaning we have to do game state spawn rate edx plus plus and we also need to check if the spawn of the array, do we have array size? I hope we do. Spawn rates is less than spawn rate edx plus 1. Float spawn rate is spawn rates on game state spawn rate edx. I guess we can do an assert here that game state spawn rate edx is less than array size of spawn rates. What type of scuffed one does he have? If condition printf. Okay. We could say spawn rate edx out of bounds. Right? He called it scuffed asserts. Better to have bad assert than no assert. Smile, yeah. Yes, smile. True, gcap. True. Smiley face. And we try to check if we get a new one, and if we do, we set the spawn rate. Oh, this is also the dot rate here. Then spawn rate is gonna be game state spawn rate edx. Oh wait, it's a spawn rates on game state spawn rate edx dot rate. Or we could do the plus plus here and have that in one line. But doesn't really matter. Initializing cannot convert from initializer list to float. Spawn data to float. Ah, I see. This is spawn data, of course. Too many function like for asserts. What? Unexpected. Too many arguments for function like macro invocation assert. Shit, TCAP's not here, right? Assert condition. If condition, failed assert. So we cannot... I see. Can we not change the assert so that we take in a message? Nah, it's fine. Okay, fine. We'll just do the assert like that. Spawn rate index, undeclared identifier. Oh, that's game state spawn rate index. Redefinition. Ah, yep. Okay. It's spawning 5 a second. I have a feeling that they do not collide properly. At the bottom, yes, but not at the top. They don't collide at all. They have too much HP. Wait, oh no, they get too much HP. Wait a second. Updating the enemies. HP total time. This should be called spawn enemy. Why not set spawn rate after if statement instead of setting it twice? Bro. Get spawn rage. Okay, so we're spawning the correct type. We could also get the type in the spawn data. So after 5 seconds, maybe let's say after 10 seconds, huh? Enemy type. Plant. Flower. It's not a flower. It's actually a plant. So we have a plant, some molten midgets that we're spawning, and we get the enemy type by... Good, now we have the enemy type and we spawn that enemy type at that position. Let's see how it looks. After 10 seconds, the enemies should change. We should start with molten midgets. They don't. Do we really? Does it really? Interesting. Oh, I see. It doesn't change the sprite. Of course. It's a molten midget, but it does not change the sprite. So that's not a flower, that is a plant. I don't like it. I don't like that I called it flower. That should work this time. We should start with molten midgets, which works, yes. And then once we get to high enough level, now it's time to create some enemies that we actually can't defeat. Maybe a special enemy. But for that we need to draw another one. Is it already 10 seconds? I feel like it was 10 seconds already. I have a feeling that it is not switching. Looks like the array size of... Wait, that should give me 2. This should give me 2. And so 2 is definitely greater than 1. And that time, 10 seconds, is definitely less than 50 seconds. Do I really have to break this up because it might be a problem, the way I check this? That's weird. Looks like it never happens. First if statement looks wrong? How? How does it look wrong? Wrong. If they spawn? Oh wait. Actually, you're right. I'm a dumbass. This has to be changed. True, thank you. Yeah. Okay. All right. We have the assertion, we have the if check. This time it should work. When would array size be smaller than the next? Yeah. Oh wow, that's already 10 seconds. Damn. Wow, why is he not one shot? What? And they spawn way more. Oh no. No. Actually quite difficult now. Deals more damage, that doesn't do anything yet. Increase AoE by, maybe it helps. Just stay here. I don't think they can reach me. Need to wait for an opening. Increase AoE. Deals more damage. Now I should be able to one-shot. No, it should be doing 12 damage. How is it not doing 12 damage? I don't understand. It should be one-shotting them. Ah, okay. So there's still a bug with the damage calculation because now it actually does 12 damage. Okay, there's still a bug with the level. I don't understand how there's a fucking bug here. Guys, that is so cool. I guess we make a we soon gonna make a stream where we just draw a bunch of enemies and then let a bunch of enemies spawn based on time. Right? Getting somewhere. It's very cool. Now we just need to have it so that leveling up... I mean, we need randomized choices for leveling up. And then we need a way to collect gold as well, so we can re-roll. I want to make it so that gold lets you re-roll choices if you don't like them. Very cool. Greater or equal to 4, then it should deal more damage. Alright. Is there something that we can do real quickly? Maybe I should make the weapon, the active weapon. Let me see. Texts. Creates slashes. Maybe an active attack should have damage. And then we can say, okay, the active attack dot damage is a base of 10 damage plus something that has to do with the level. And when does it deal more damage? If it's greater or equal than 2. I think I'm gonna do if checks. If W level greater or equal than 2, then damage plus equals, I don't know, 5. 15 damage. And then if W level greater or equal to, that's level 2, 3, 4. And the 1 extra slash here is too much, I think. And we do damage plus equals. Why not have a struct to store upgrade info? I don't know how to do that. You mean, yeah, how? Can. And this is AA.damage. And then active attacks. Active attack start. These are the offsets for the whip. While delay, sprite, damaging area. Add damaging area. Yeah. For effective whip. Now a damaging area needs to have damage. When there's damage after the size. So over here. Which would be the AA damage. Like I'm just passing the damage to the damaging area. Kind of annoying. Damaging area start. Inflict damage. Dar.damage. Left of damage must have the... Okay, so it's a dar pointer. Right. Looking good so far. I don't know about these positions. I have a feeling they should be spawning at 150 and a minus 150 again. Okay, let's see how that looks. Obviously, we are not going to start. We have all of these weapons. We're going to start with one weapon. How is it not dealing any damage? It literally doesn't deal any damage. What the fuck? What? Huh? I would imagine something similar to how you implement spawn data. Each weapon has a struct containing its stats, and there's an array of these stats for each level. Damage is 10. Oh, I see. Wait, the damaging area. God, so many operators. Does not take in the damage. But damage is damage. That's why they don't deal any damage. Ah, okay. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. Very nice. Very cool. Okay, I think tomorrow they should be one shot. Yeah, they are one shot. Tomorrow we will... I think I'm happy with what I did. A little bit difficult to kill these, which I guess is what I want. This is the AoE. Dance should be slower. Oh, I guess we can add in a stat movement speed that we control. Yeah, that's a good idea. Let's do that real quick. We can add in a movement speed stat that we also control. That's a good idea. Very nice. Move distance, there we go. Move speed is 100.0f by default. They are quite fast. And we do E enemy. Okay, now when we create, when we spawn an enemy, we could say that the midgets, they might be fast And the bats also have 100 movement speed, but the plants maybe don't have, maybe have a move speed of 50? Maybe half of it? I'd say half. Game is written in C or C++? It's a small mix between the two. Whip was null pointer. I guess I can't change the index of that. It's a mix. It is mostly C, but there's like, for example, I have taken from a viewer, I have taken the an implementation on how to do arrays. So we have a fixed size of arrays, but we have an operator with an assertion in here. So that we know whenever we are out of bounds, we assert while we are debugging the game. Then we can use that to make sure that that functions properly. So this is the, I suppose this is the only like C++ thing, and maybe operators in my math over here. The operators for vectors. I think that's the only thing. Like we also have this, but the rest should be C only. More or less. Yeah. But we're still compiling in C++. Okay, let's kill a few. So the plants, also the plants should spawn later, right? Now it starts to feel like Vampire Survivors, right? You have slow moving enemies. Yeah, now it's just a matter of implementing more types of enemies and more skills as well. And leveling them up. Damn, it's crazy how they pile up. Oh no, if they push each other, they get faster. And the game is open source, so if you wanna check it out, you can just look at the GitHub. Yeah, so I guess we are now limited by the types of enemies we have. And so tomorrow, I guess we'll do a stream where we draw a bunch of enemies. And then maybe add in our first boss. I want to add in the bats as well. We have to think about that too, like this is overdrawing, right? Reached maximum level, deals more damage. Wait, deals more damage, gives me 4 slashes. That's wrong. Supposed to only deal more damage, not give me more slashes. Okay, I think we'll do the following. I'll stop here. I'll commit this stuff. Looks good so far. And the next thing is just draw enemy, add enemies to spawn array, and make bosses. And after we have bosses that take a lot more time to kill, we can then work on balancing a little bit more. And we can work on drops again, some more pickups, like different types of pickups. And, you know, maybe adding in collisions as well. Like, for example, making it so that we cannot move. Yeah, we have the circle rectangular collision system where we have bricks that we can move to, through. You know, this type of stuff that ask us through. Over here. No, these are items. They look so fucking good, man. Holy shit. These are more enemies. Stuff like this, you know. When there's a tree, we can't move where the tree is. I feel like adding in obstacles should be something we should do soon. You know, something like that. That looks cool too, man. Damn. He's very talented. Look at this, guys. Very talented drawing. Damn, look at that, bro. Holy shit, this looks good. Like, imagine if we do, like, let's see, how many drawings do we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I think this is 50 at least. And then there's 9 here. Holy shit. And then there's another 9. Another 9. Like 100. Wow. I didn't even see those. What? Ja? Warum? Das schaffe ich nicht, mein Schatz. Das ist unmöglich. Ich kann nicht überall. Ich kann mich nicht teleportieren. Ich denke. Can I help you write a game? Pull to GitHub. English is not my native language. I'm sorry. I'm not writing correctly. Do you want to like add stuff into this too? I mean, you can. You can do a. You can pull the game from GitHub, change a bit. Holy shit! This looks so. This guy looks awesome. This guy is the whipmaster. What is this guy then? Holy moly. God, these look so good. Anyways, guys, I have a lot of stuff to do today, so I'll have to stop here. We'll continue tomorrow. Okay? We'll continue tomorrow. Good luck. Yeah, thank you, Tom. Thank you. Yeah, so what I'll do, I'll push the current changes. Edit a new enemy. Also edit a better spawning system. Edit enemy stats. We added a lot of small things that add up to a lot of content. Also added enemy types that spawn at certain times. Push. It's quite a lot for like only 1 hour of programming, which is very nice. Very, very nice. Okay. I'll be online on Twitch tomorrow, same time, same place. Only today was different because of the car. We had to get the car checked. And so I'll see you tomorrow on Twitch, right? Peace, guys. Thank you for watching, like always. And I'll be online tomorrow.